The manufacturing process of making pressure cookers in Pakistan typically involves several steps. Here's an overview of the process. 1. Raw material procurement. The first step is to source high-quality raw materials, such as stainless steel, aluminum, or other suitable materials required to make pressure cooker components. 2. Sheet metal cutting. The raw material sheets are cut into specific shapes and sizes using cutting machines based on the pressure cooker design and specifications. 3. Deep drawing. The cut metal sheets undergo a deep drawing process, where they are formed into the desired shape of the pressure cooker body and lid. 4. Welding. Various components of the pressure cooker, including the handle, lid, and body, are welded together using specialized welding techniques. 5. Polishing and buffing. The pressure cooker surfaces are polished and buffed to achieve a smooth and shiny finish. 6. Valve and gasket installation. The pressure cooker's safety valve and gasket are installed to ensure proper functioning and safety during cooking. 7. Quality control. Throughout the manufacturing process, strict quality control measures are implemented to ensure that each pressure cooker meets the required standards. 8. Pressure testing. The pressure cookers undergo pressure testing to ensure that they can handle the specified pressure levels without any leakage or safety issues. 9. Painting. Some pressure cookers may undergo a painting process to add aesthetic appeal and branding. 10. Packaging. Once the pressure cookers pass all quality checks, they are packed and prepared for distribution and sale. It's important to note that specific manufacturing practices and processes may vary between different companies and manufacturers in Pakistan. Additionally, safety regulations and standards are followed to ensure the production of safe and reliable